Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Second Son Woodworks here on my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how I built this simple overhang roof for the side of my shop to cover up wood. Let's get started. The first step in this project was to go ahead and miter down the 2x4s. I used some treated 2x4s for this project since it will be out and exposed to the weather, and the miter cuts are at 60-30 degrees. After that, I took one 8-foot long 2x4, the treated 2x4, and I went ahead and drilled some pilot holes that will be used to build up the frame. And you'll notice here in a second that I do 4 cross beams on this frame, and the pieces, the 2x4s that are going across, are mitered at the 30-degree angle, so that in the end the 2x4 at the end of the roof will be level. After that, I went ahead and took the frame outside without the front piece and tried to figure out how I was going to get this mounted up onto the side of my garage just by myself, and this was a bit tricky, but eventually I figured out a technique of drilling up one end of this little roof, and then after that I can kind of shimmy my way up the wall. I wouldn't recommend doing it this way. I would definitely just get somebody to help you out, but this is the way I did it because I didn't have another option. If you are drilling through the siding, and in my case it's tongue and groove siding, you want to make sure you go into a stud, obviously. After I fully attached this piece to the side of my garage, I went ahead and attached the front 2x4 that will be attached to these cross beams. After that, I sketched out where the supporting 2x4s would be coming in, drilled some pilot holes, and then went ahead and attached the beam to the inside face of the roof frame, and then I went ahead and used some pocket holes to attach the support beam to the side of my garage. After that, I went ahead and did the same thing on the opposing side. After that, I went ahead and took the 8-foot long roofing, the metal roofing sheets that I picked up and cut them down to the right length with my grinder. Then I went ahead and took the sheets outside and attached them to the frame of the roof. And I made sure to use roofing screws that have a little washer or seal kind of thing that seals up around the base of the screws so that no water drips through. And then after that, I'm done with the project.